Finally, ebya Levixone wamu ne muwala wa Desire Luzinda Bitabusse muwatawani wa Chamili amukubye joka bibino mbikuletedde ate nga ye Pressure 24/7 avuddeyo n'avuma mukazi wa Daily Uganda bika byamaziga mbirina mu maaso awo nga wali nkola yafano kwanda boyuji ka video madden sabo kampele ka like kamenga kasotambula katukire mutu yenna agenda gadde kumanya kweno information olunaku olwejo doza muwadde mukimanyi bulungi tino bakasuku bagenda ne bakola vlogging ambenti vlogging nga bogera ku comparison eri mutabani wa Chamili wa Mone Levixone ani ayagalani muwala wa Desire Luzinda oluvanyuma lokulu ba social media ino lokuvayo ntino tino yo mutabani wa Chamili kyaika yasinga omwagala oldo atenga bagenze de bala post ya Levixone wamuno yo muwala byatabuddemu abantu iranga ne bakasuku bavudde ne bebuuza ne bagamba kati ani omutuufu olunaku olwejo bambi mutabani wa Chamili amanyikiddwa nga Abba yavuddeyo na postinga galaga ntino bali babiri wamu ne muwala wa Levixone ne muwala wa Desire Luzinda amanyikiddwa nga Michelle no muka video mukuwalaba nga balaga mbono bali basanyufu ngenda kuba nkupengera ka video kani kono Michelle wamu ne Abba mukawulire era nkomewo ne video ya kasuku ngalesa katambika Levixone wamu ne Michelle obirabe comparing
The picture making rounds of you.
Now, Abba came. Let me. This one you will interpret yourselves. When Chamili went for Abba's graduation, the gift he asked for, because Chamili was going to Jamaica, the son said, "I also need to go to Jamaica, but with my friend." Who was the friend? Desire's daughter.
Hey.
To Jamaica.
Just the two of them
with Chamili. So as Chamili recorded and what these people were touring Jamaica. Fast forward, Abba came a few weeks ago.
And Desire's daughter is here.
She also arrived. So they are always together, young friends, young adults. They are always together. And guess who is the chauffeur driving them around? Guess the chauffeur.
Desire.
Techisoboka.
Wizo? Chamili?
Hey. Who?
Levixone.
Muko?
Mbomwana oyo avuga emmotoka. Tamanyi bitaala. The chauffeur. Yabavuga. So the boy goes to play football. Levixone nga obakati Levixone ebivulu yabiyimiriza. Jadda omwana jagamba Uncle Levi, we go and pick Abba here. Nga Levixone avuga.
Chiki bombe.
We want to go here.
Chiki bombe.
Ye chauffeur. Era oli yangambe nanga kasuku, I didn't know Levixone can drive a car like this. Alinga wa safe car.
Hakola safe car.
Safe car employee. Takuba bitala. Speed ntini.
Kids in the car.
Anti atia. Muwala we ayinza okufuna ekizibu awo ate.
Kozaba muwala we.
Aba muwala we. Omanyi nti nayogera nakyo ki Levixone. Luliwe twakikubira likingana nimba wulira. Nenefula jendi network telinga byombuza mbimanyi goloze ngangenda kunyonyola ebyo byekisiru kumpewo nanga Levixone nanga mbera mbawulira nakati aizo okuba kwani ena tikasuku I be hearing nakulira ngofubu tuko omugambo and I said network. The network was okay. The boy was here in Nadia. Negwe, by the way, speaking of Kosovo, Levixone akantu akukaiwanyumya yagambu yali asula wansi wa pool table. Kosovo.
But you know there's enough space under the pool
table. Is there enough space under the pool table?
Yes, you guys.
It's not about space, it's still under a pool table.
So, if there's enough space under, and it's safe.
Brian.
Uncle Bola, lekera awo.
Ebyono ebya Levixone wamu ne Abba nga tubitadde mabbali. Gwe natanaba ku subscribing nga tugamba subscribing era gwe natanaba ku liking ka video mbadde sabo kampele ka like kale katugendeyo katuyongere amawulire gaffe agalero. Haji Miti akujukiza jangu akulombere eduwago wena ayina ebizibu passport bwe visa buli wa apply nga bakuwazi bani namba yali awesembe 15 kugamba ntino nakulombere eduwa takoyisa kikolwa kya kirogo kyonna ya aberenga kulombere eduwa oberenga oterera ate basadi property consultants bagamba jangu baguza amataka gabe gatandikira ku miliyoni 1 kwambuka kitegeza ki kino buli omu asobola ofuka landlord amataka gabe gali kumpi wano mu kibuga kitegeza buli omu asobola okubanga akozesa transport wa 13 okutuuka ku mataka gabe oba estates zabwe jezidi ebya pressure 24/7 wamu na Daily Uganda byongedde okubija. Pressure 24/7 wavuddeyo natandika okuvuma family eya Daily Uganda oba family ya Queen Daily Uganda oyo mwala omusomali yabambi mukazi wa Daily Uganda yavuddeyo nayogera ebigambo bingi nagamba ntino gwe agenda firinga oba bagita bata deporting file eri immigration ya Uganda ntino bayagala bazeeyo abasomalia bonna nga ku basomalia bano yagala ne mukazi wa Daily Uganda kolechi adeyo ewa Somalia nga tayagala ngaira biditiro omwala ina passport ya America so ulide Pressure 24/7 byayogera jakuba nkomawo n'ebirala.
I have many friends who are here from Somalia.
Listen to me very closely. You have friends who are here from Somalia. You found people who were in this monarch or country or kingdom that were natives. How did you pay our kindness? You planted bombs, started killing them from 2010 because another man who is also a visitor here, Museveni, promised you guys that you will be staying here if you continue doing his work. Do you think he's the most powerful person in this country? How can you kill my own people who are natives of this land that come from over 12 tribes? Nobody is going to forgive you people because you are overstaying your welcome. The only way maybe we can think about forgiving you, go and attack the person who sent you to kill our people with his family. If you have them like this, call me. I told you, you will get them and call me. Period.
Gwe, omayimuli bakujukiza nyo katiulira. Nizo banyo mizane muoza nyo myabechi. Sigati kabya bufozi mu politics. Ebye mizanyo bya byanze jako support santi. Eyo, Embassy Abba.